Hi guys, it's Cody with GreenStalk Vertical Gardens, and I'm here to show you exactly how to plant up a GreenStalk vertical planter. And so I think our first step will just be to fill them up with soil, so Tom's going to help me do that. All right, so now that we got these all filled up with soil, I'm just going to go ahead and use some Espoma organic fertilizer. This is the tomato tone, but you can use whatever fertilizer you prefer. And I'm just going to add a handful to each planter. I'm just going to kind of mix that in a little bit. And then next we're gonna go ahead and plant. So you can use starter plants or you can plant from seed. So I'm gonna do a little bit of both. You can mix and match whatever you prefer. With tomato plants, you wanna be sure to clip off the bottom leaves. All right, so now that I've removed the lower leaves, I'm just gonna bury this almost all the way up. You just wanna leave a few leaves for it to photosynthesize. Okay, just gonna go ahead and plant that. Make sure it's nice and secure. And then I'm also going to do some seeds in the pocket beside it. These are green bush bean seeds. They grow really well in a GreenStalk. And I'm going to do 3 seeds per pocket. Okay, cover that up. All right, and then I'm going to do some basil in the remaining pockets. And we're just going to plant that one at soil level. So really it's just tomatoes and peppers that you want to bury a little bit deeper, but everything else you just want to plant at soil level. So this is the base where the GreenStalk is going to sit in. We also have 3 locking wheels, and then we also have 3 non-locking wheels. And then at the very bottom of the bag, you'll see a drain hose and a cap. These are great if you want to collect water in the mover for a short amount of time, and this will help redirect water if you need to, redirect it off your deck or into a separate container if you want to reuse that water. So I'm just going to show you how to assemble it. Okay, now that I got my 3 locking wheels, I'm going to put the other ones in, which are non-locking. And you just want to alternate these for maximum stability. Okay? So all you do is you just take a watering disc, you kind of clear the area around, and I'm just going to add the watering disc to where the holes line up to the pockets. And you also want to make sure that the watering discs are clean when you're doing this step, because if there is anything in them, it will hinder the watering system later. And we just want the feet to interlock with the one below it. So now that we have it all stacked up, I'm just going to go ahead and fill it up to the 4-tier mark. Since this is a 4-tier, we want to fill it up to the 4. And I always wait to water my planters until they're completely planted and stacked, just to make sure that they're easy to lift, basically. All right, so you just want to fill it up to that 4-tier mark with a quick filling hose or with a bucket. So you can see how it's starting to drip through those little holes, and the rest of it will go right down that center funnel and deliver water to each of the tiers below. All right, so I'm just going to lift this planter up so I can show you exactly how it's filling all those gray discs. This is how easy it is to plant up a GreenStalk vertical planter. For more information, you can visit our website at greenstalkgarden.com.